In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple Google accounts and, in doing so, effectively gain practical, unlimited storage space. This approach is perfect for anyone who wants to maximize free storage without spending a dime. So, let's dive right in and explore how to make the most of Google's generous storage offerings. First off, you'll need to create multiple Google accounts if you haven't already. Head over to Google's account creation page at accountsgoogle.com sign up. Here, you can fill in your details to set up as many accounts as you need. Remember, each of these accounts comes with its own 15 gigabytes of free storage. This space is incredibly useful for saving photos, videos, documents, and other important files. Once you've set up your accounts, think about how you want to use each one. A smart way to organize your storage is by dedicating each account to a specific purpose. For instance, you might use one account exclusively for photos and videos, helping you keep your media collection separate and neatly organized. Another account might be your go-to for work files and important documents. This could include backups of crucial data, ensuring you have everything you need if something goes awry with your primary storage. The third step is where we start transforming this system into a real powerhouse of storage management. By organizing your files through shared folders, you can access all your content from one main account. This strategy not only simplifies the way you manage your files, but also allows you to benefit from the combined storage capacity of all the accounts you've set up. To do this, simply create shared folders for each type of file you plan to store, such as one for photos, another for work files, and so on. Share these folders with your main account, and voila! Now you can manage your files from a single location without the hassle of logging in and out of different accounts all the time. This multi-account strategy effectively gives you huge combined storage space entirely for free, making it an ideal solution for anyone looking to keep their digital files well organized and easily accessible. Remember, by thoughtfully distributing your files across several accounts, you're not only maximizing your storage space, but also minimizing the risk of losing data, since each account acts as a backup of sorts for the others. Thanks for tuning in to today's video, and I hope that you found this guide helpful in unlocking more storage without additional costs. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on making the most of digital tools. See you in the next video.